Friends, now I am explaining to you SBI PO preliminary examination question paper number 125. 125. See, the first 10 questions are on the reading comprehension. Let us see the questions first. According to the passage given above, it is direct question from the passage. Second one in the passage given, yes, it is also a direct question. And which of the following words should fill in the blank given in B? So a blank is given in the passage. We have to find out the suitable word. Yes. According to the passage given above, how are summer winds driven? Yes, it is again direct question. It is a question on vocabulary and a question on vocabulary and again a question on vocabulary. Yes. Where is it? Yes, this is next. Okay. We shall go back to the passage. I'm reading the passage. Increased warming in the Indian Ocean and the resultant weakening of the Indian summer monsoon may come in the way of India's goal of leading the world's wind power generation. Analyzing the available wind and atmospheric data from 2016, researchers from Harvard University, US, National Climate Center in Beijing, China, found the potential electricity production of windmills across India had decreased by about 13%. See, students, try to understand. Increased warming in the Indian Ocean and the resultant weakening of the Indian summer monsoon may come in the way of India. Okay. And this trend might continue. Researchers in India have raised doubts about the results of the study. The data used by the team does not correlate. Does not correlate. That means is not related. The live data we have. We have started additional studies to validate these results and will publish the findings soon, says Dr. Balaraman, Director General, National Institute of Wind Energy, Chennai, under the government's Ministry of New and Renewable Energy. In the paper published last December in Science Advances, researchers showed a decline in electricity production in the state of Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Karnataka. Not significant decline was seen in Tamil Nadu, which is located on the east coast and thus had different wind conditions during summer. Okay, students, this passage is about climate and Indian temperature, etc. Let us see the questions. According to the passage, what might come in India's goal of leading the world's wind power generations? Increased warming in the Indian Ocean. In the first sentence itself, it is given. Increased warming in the Indian Ocean. Seaweeds, no. Resultant weakening of the Indian summer, both 1 and 3, no. All 1, 2, 3, no. Option 1 is correct. What is the second question? In the passage given, a sentence is given in bold. There may not be an error in one part of the sentence. Choose the part which has an error as it is your answer. Error. Sentence A is given in bold. There may be an error, bolded part. Where is it? Here we have bolded part. Not significant. The passage gives not significant. Decline was seen in Tamil Nadu, which is located on the east coast and thus had different wind conditions during summer. Not significant decline was seen in Tamil Nadu, which is located on the east coast and thus had different wind conditions during summer. which is located on is not correct, incorrect, in the east coast and thus had different wind conditions. On wrong, incorrect, in the east coast. Next question is what should fill in the blank given in B to make it contextually correct. B. In blank B, here we have electricity from wind is blank after B form. Is a B form. After B form, what do we require? Past participle. Third form of the verb. Distribute? No. Contributed? Okay. Contribute? Give? Option 2 is correct. Such questions can easily be answered. According to the passage given above, how are summer winds driven in India? How are summer winds driven in India? They are driven by the temperature contrast between the Indian subcontinent, Arabian Sea? No. They are driven by the temperature contrast between the Indian subcontinent and the Bay of Bengal? No. They are driven by the temperature contrast between the Indian subcontinent and the Indian Ocean. Indian subcontinent and the Indian Ocean. Correct. Option 3 is correct. All of the above wrong. Which of the following similar? Cumulative. Cumulative. We have to find out the suitable word with the same meaning. Cumulative means increase. It is not digressive, it is depressive. Depressive means unhappy. Faint means lose senses, unconscious. Succumb, right answer. Cumulative means succumb. Next we have accretive. Accretive means gradual. Accretive means gradual. Answer is 3. Option 3. Which of the following is opposite to the meaning correlative? Opposite. Correlative means not related, no. Complement, no. Contrast, correct. Contrast, correct. Supplement, no. Languish means unhappy, unpleasant. Option 2 is correct. Which of the following should fill in the blank? C. In the place of C, what do we read? Can be. Goal can be blank. After a B form, we require either third form or adjective. Adjective. Beneficial, adjective. Benefits noun, loose verb, addition noun. Option 1 is correct. Beneficial. Yes, we have blanks here. I am reading the instruction. In the given sentences, a blank is given indicating that something is missing. From the given 4 options, 1, 2, 3, 4, a combination of words would fill the blank thereby. Okay. Combination of words. Okay. 2, among these 4, we have to choose 2 words. If India's universities develop tomorrow's technologies, it could provide cutting edge and blank technologies. Frugal technologies. Frugal means careful. Careful. Acidic technologies. Economical. Yes. Economical means careful. Frugal, economical. Both make same meaning. Meager means small. Not correct. So answer is 1 and 3. Where is it? Yes. Option 3 correct. The noise of a dentist's drill might awaken feelings of blank nervousness, apprehension. Apprehension means anxiety, uneasiness, scruple. See, apprehension, uneasiness, both make same meaning. Scruple, disgust. Disgust means disappoint. Answer is 1 and 3. Apprehension means uneasiness, anxiety, uneasiness. 1 and 3. Option 2 correct. Next question is political commitment to improving the quality of education backed by strong review and and monitoring mechanisms can blank blank. After can, what do we require? Best form of the verb. Can require meaningful activity. Can arouse? No. Can spur? Spur means encourage. Impetus, encourage. Prompt. These two. Spur, prompt. 2 and 4. Where do we have option 4 correct? Since it's blank. Since it's blank. Niti Aayog has been a believer in competitive federalism. Since it's here, we require noun. Nascent. Nascent means recently. Founding. No. Inception, birth. Both make same meaning. Inception means beginning, birth. So 3 and 4. Option 4 correct. And next. All world religions, Mahatma Gandhi's idea of ahimsa, all world religions blank, Mahatma Gandhi. All world religions subject. After subject we require verb. Propound. Propound means represent. Effeminate. Effeminate means no, powerless. Powerless. Impotent. Prod. Advocate correct. Represent. 1 and 4. 1 and 4. Option 3 correct. And next we have states need to blank. After 2, what do we use? Base form of the verb. To blank competition and give a boost to any to all key stakeholders. See, states need to peddle. No, not correct. Peddle is a verb, of course. Peddle means bargain, sell. Induce. Induce means encourage. Coerce means threaten. Foster means encourage. 2 and 4 correct. 2 and 4. Option 1. A healthy planet. Public is a public good, and governments and people are blank to use well. People are. After B form we require third form. Indentured. Indentured means agree. Obligated. Grateful means thankful. Bound. Obligated, bound correct. Bind, bound, follow. Obligated, follow. 2 and 4. 2 and 4. Option 3 correct. Terrorism has no place in a civilized world. In a civilized world. And is contrary to all religious blank. Religious adjective. After adjective we require noun. Scrupulous, no. Tenets, okay. Principles, thesis. These 2 are correct. Tenets means text, thesis. 2 and 4. Option 3 correct. Here we have, this is fill in the blank. The blank should be filled with suitable phrase or clause. Poverty eclipses the brightest virtues and is very sepulchre of brave designs. Blank what nature has fitted him for and stifling. We have big clue here and stifling. We have inform. So here also we must have present participle. Inform. Deprive, wrong. Depriving, correct. Deprived, wrong. Deprive, wrong. We have of course depriving again. Let us see. Depriving a man of the means. Depriving a man of the means for accomplishing wrong, for accomplishing wrong, to accomplish correct. The answer is depriving a man of the means to accomplish what nature has fitted. Option 2 is correct one. Next sentence is improving IT literacy is a great task ahead because for digital India blank that masses no. Digital India for becoming no. To become okay. To become successful, it is to be necessitated wrong. To become successful, it is necessary that masses. This is correct. Option 3 is correct. Discipline is the most important ingredient which connects dreams and aspirations to which, see students, we have most important superlative degree. When superlative degree is given, we don't use which for that, that correct for wrong. To that of successful achievement. Achievement noun, we use adjective successful. This is to that of successful achievement or to that of successfully achieving them in reality. Them, this part should also be there. Them in reality. This part is correct. I'm reading with answer. Discipline is the most important ingredient which connects dreams and aspirations to that of successfully achieving them in reality. Option 4 is correct. Next sentence. It is undeniable that without effective party politics, only the elite of the society and government shall be thriving. No. Will thrived, would have been thriving, will have to thrive. No. Would thrive using their dominance. Would thrive using their dominance. Option 5 is correct. Indian schools and colleges need to prepare the youth for a very different economic and digital world because skills to survive and prosper in the future blank. In the future shall remain wrong, will be very different from what they are today. Will be very different. Shall be no. Would be no. Will be ever with wrong. Different takes from. So option 2 is correct. Next. Common errors, students. We have to find out. Error. I'm reading instruction. In each of the questions, there is error in any two parts of the sentence. Any two parts of the sentence. Okay. You have to identify. Okay. First sentence. With the demands of industry. With the demands of the industry. Part is correct. And service sectors changing at such a rapid pace. With the demands of industry and service sectors changing at such a rapid pace, students need to be sharp and choose a career wisely. Correctly given, students. Children, try to understand. With the demands of industry and service sectors, this is called phrase. Service sector, industry demand చేస్తున్న విధంగా changing at such a rapid pace, students need to be sharp. Students subject need to be sharp and choose a career wisely. No error, ma. Sentence is correct. Studies have show how always takes past participle, third form. Studies have shown that buildings, roads and other hard surfaces absorb and store heat, whereas vegetation reflects heat. Vegetation singular, verb takes yes, reflects heat. A and D. A and D. There are two others. Next sentence. No institution, however high, no institution, however high, including the judiciary, should insulate oneself from improvements. No institution, correct. however high, however high. Okay, including the judiciary, should insulate oneself. Okay, oneself wrong, no? Institution, it is non-living, should insulate itself, correct, itself from improvements. However high, no institution, however high, however wrong, whatever, whatever correct, whatever high. Yes, error is in B and D. Option 3 correct. Since more than 100 years now, since more than 100 years now. See, this is approximate time, not fixed time. It's not point of time. It is period of time. For period of time, we use either over or for. For more than 100 years. Over more than 100 years. Scientists and writers of science fiction alike have hoped that someday humankind will have a weapon so terrible that the fear of its impact will end war for all time. Fear of its impact. See, scientists and writers, plural, no? Fear of their impact. Their impact will end war for all time. So errors A and D. An urban employment guarantee scheme. An urban employment guarantee scheme not only improves incomes of workers but also has multiplier effects on the economy. On the economy. An urban employment guarantee scheme not only improves incomes of workers but also has multiplier effects on the economy. Correct, no error. Yes, what do we have here? Okay, this is sentence rearrangement. Sentence rearrangement. 6 sentences are given. Let us try to identify the first part of each line. A begins conjunction and, B begins while conjunction, C begins according to the World Bank report. According to World Bank report, D begins in preposition, E begins the need noun, F begins cities. Usually a paragraph begins with a phrase. What is given here? First sentence, considering the statement according to the World Bank report, world greatest. So it is becomes the first sentence. Which one? The fourth sentence. So it is given in the question itself. C is considered the fourth sentence. Then he asks us to find out the first sentence. First sentence. See, and conjunction, while conjunction, a sentence does not begin with, a passage does not begin with conjunction. So these are not first. E, the need of the hour. Okay. F, cities. In recent years, landslides of waste dumps have buried homes, people under piles of waste. And it is the poorest who often live near waste dumps. Power their city's recycling system through waste picking. This can be considered first sentence. Because it is a general statement, something is discussed in this passage about dumping of wastage. So D is considered the first sentence. What's the next question? Find out the sixth sentence. Sixth sentence. And while. These two sentences connect. Next, the need of the hour is usually need of the hour. This phrase, is used to denote a solution, suggestion. So usually it is used at the end of the passage. That can be considered the last sentence. The need of the hour is to create good waste management system where products are designed. Yes, that is the last sentence. Then what do we consider? Second sentence. Second sentence. While this a topic that people are aware of, waste generation is increasing. So what is the topic? People face problems from the wastage of the dump. So it is related. The sentence is related to D. D. So this is considered second sentence. Second sentence. So here D is the first sentence, B is the second sentence, E is the last sentence. What's the next question? Among the following pairs, which of them is formed with two consecutive statements? Which are them? B and F can be considered. Yes. B is fourth, no? F is fifth. B is fourth, F is fifth. Because we already decided E is last, D is first, C is fourth. So this is fifth, no? C fourth, F fifth. Answer is C and F. Sorry, B and F. B fourth, B and F. B is second, F is third. Next. Which of the following formed two consecutive statements? Yes. C and F. No. F and C. F is considered fourth. B is second. C is fourth. This is fifth. Yes. C fourth. F fifth. So this is today's paper, students. We shall meet again.